Alright, heads up. Today's the day we're kicking bland, basic English to the side and turning things up a notch. Oh yeah, my friend. This lesson's loaded with cool, real-world English words that'll pump some life into your chats and ditch those yawn-worthy terms for good. You ready to jump in? Sweet. I'm Sarah, and we're about to make waves. Let's hit it. First word we're cracking open. Jumpy. Yep, jumpy got a little bounce to it, doesn't it? You might have heard this tossed around at a party or in a movie, but what's the deal? Jumpy is when someone's all wired up, nervous, twitchy, like they're on pins and needles. Could be from stress, could be excitement. Either way, they're not sitting still. Truth is, nobody loves being around a jumpy mess all the time. You'd rather be the calm one in the storm, right? But imagine this. You're chilling with a friend before a big test. They're pacing, tapping their foot, going, "What if I blink out?" You're like, "Relax, you're getting jumpy, breathe." That's jumpy. All edgy and restless. That's what we call it. Let's pin it down with some examples, then I'll stack up ways to use it. First, she's been jumpy all week waiting for her interview. Keeps checking her phone every 2 seconds. Second, don't get jumpy now, we're almost at the finish line. Just stay cool. No freaking out, okay? Third, the dog's jumpy around strangers, starts barking the second they walk in. That wired up energy? That's jumpy. So, where can you toss this word? I've got a bunch for you. 1. Big moments. You're about to give a speech, hearts racing, hands fidgeting, your buddy goes, "You're looking jumpy, shake it off." 2. Late nights. You're home alone, it's dark, and every creak's got you peeking over your shoulder. "I'm jumpy tonight, too many horror flicks." 3. Waiting game. You're stuck in line for a roller coaster, adrenaline's pumping, and you're bouncing on your toes. "I'm so jumpy, let's ride already." 4. Kid chaos. Your little siblings hyped on sugar, darting around, and you're like, "They're jumpy as heck. Good luck calming that down." 5. Tense vibes. You're at a meeting, boss is grilling everyone, and your coworker's whispering, "I'm jumpy, he's on a roll today." See? Jumpy pops up everywhere. Your go-to for that antsy feel. Next word, total shift. Zoned. Zoned. I'm hooked on sharing these real-life goodies. Words you'll catch in the mix and can fire back. Quick break. Ever blink out when you're talking in English? You've got the words ready, but when it's go time, they're gone? No biggie, I've got you covered. I put together this English vocabulary bundle, a super simple 3-step plan to snatch new words, drop them like a pro, and keep them glued in your mind. It's crammed with daily vibes, quick word jolts, and tricks to make them stick. People all over are loving it. Your shot to glow up is here. Hit the link below this video for lifetime access, grab it, and watch your English fly. Back to Zoned. This one's been circling around, and it's a gem. Zoned is when you're totally out of it, spaced, checked out, like your brain's taken a mini vacation. Could be from exhaustion, could be boredom. Either way, you're not here. Some say it hits harder after a long haul. Me, I've been there. When I'm running on empty, I'm not in the game. Just give me a blank wall to stare at, and I'm set. Let's lock it in with some examples. First, I was zoned during that lecture. 2 hours in, and I didn't catch a word. Second, let's save the deep talk. I'm zoned after that hike. Brains on snooze. Third, he zoned out at the wheel. Someone nudge him before we miss the turn. That far off days? That's zoned. Where's it work? I've got a load for you. 1. Dull days. You're stuck in a meeting, boss droning on, and your mind's drifting to pizza. Someone whispers, "You're zoned." Snap back. 2. Post-binge. You've been gaming for hours, eyes glazed, and your friend's like, "You're zoned. Take a break." 3. Burnout. You've pulled an all-nighter on a paper, staring at the screen. Nothing's clicking. I'm zoned. This is mush. 4. Chill mode. You're on the couch, music soft, and you're lost in your head. Your sibling goes, "You're zoned." Earth to you. 5. Group fade. You're out with friends. They're debating loud, but you're just nodding blank. I'm zoned. Too much noise. That's zoned. Your badge for checking out when the world's too much.